So, AFS, it's at f1.7, ISO is 160, it's a cloudy day, 1/125th shutter speed, zero exposure. I got the, what is it? It says auto ISO. Okay, yeah, it's not like the, when I was working with the SL2S, where I had the A exposure or something like that. But I got the 65 volt PC from a Windows PC laptop, and it's running this camera on the dummy battery. So I don't have to hook up my power banks to it, which is a good thing. Now on the SL2S, oh, let me lower this. Okay. Let's see if that stays in focus. Gotta get it on the horizon. Let's go for some deer, shall we? So I'm testing this with the Q3. So everything looks pretty good. I see two trucks to the left, one's a semi. They should be able to go right now. Yep, there they go. And there's Ritama Hospital. So I haven't seen any work lately. They were breaking up a whole bunch of rebarb and yeah. Got rid of my grill and got rid of my old lawnmower. I saved 2 wheels and a couple of safety clips. Okay, building something over here. It's probably part of the hospital. Now this truck's going like 35 miles an hour. Well, 33, I'm going 34. And it's a 40 mile an hour lane. So anyhow, sun's trying to come out, 76 degrees, which I like. So you see, you got all these people on the line, and they're putting it in, and it's for the hospital. Wow. CPS, City Public Service. You gotta be careful with these people. They sometimes get in the wrong lane and without turning on their turn signal. They're cleaning up this mess over here too, which is a good thing. Okay. So the way I do it, I can do it 2 ways, all right? But I like going this way. So I don't make a left at the first street. I make a left on the second street. Because I think it's a dead end on this one. Yep. So I make a left here, and then I just go up and down looking for deer. So auto ISO. Yeah. Can't do that because the Amazon guy is talking. Another Amazon guy. They got 3 Amazon trucks. Oh, no, I'm sorry. That was the UPS behind me. Okay. People out walking. This is a good time to go. Still cloudy. Not that hot. I see a dog by his front door outside. Not too happy. He's scared it might rain. I rescued a bird yesterday, or last night around midnight. Posted a video, a short, and I had him on a pillow in the on the front porch with my lawn chairs. There's a couple of doggies. Oh man, look at all that wood. Amazon guy's still there. Okay. Let's see if we can see any deer. Yeah, it's trash and recycle day today. So I have to be careful on this street. They got some construction. It looks like they're just about done with the houses. Very good. Finish this house on the right. They're cleaning up the stuff. You can see these are on top of hills. See people mowing their grass. I already did mine. So here's the water tower. So now I just go up and down the streets. I think Selma has 2 of them. Yep. Speed bump. So each house is built differently. This is interesting, a brick house. It's either stucco or hardy plank or it's very hilly here. I think that's why the deer like it. Deer likes the shade, and it's going to get hot pretty shortly. My air conditioner came on yesterday also in the afternoon. Only came on about maybe a couple of times. I got it set at 80 degrees, but I had the ceiling fan turned on, and there's UPS. I smell the grass cut. I don't see any deer. Usually they're on the street, so right at the corner. There's one guy feeds them. Usually it's in the afternoon. So there's a couple of spots that they hang out around. So after I go down this street, so I see this camera's doing good. So I got another one. Oh wow. This guy is backing out all the way. Interesting. There's the Amazon guy. So you see, that's all I needed was the 65 watt. So what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to go to this little park for the kids and stuff. There's the city of Selma. In the yard. I'm going to get my other camera out. See people fixing their fence. A lot of people are home. I don't think it's a holiday. They must be retired like I am. So I see some beautiful blue bonnets. Some yards are mowed, some aren't. A lot of cars at home. Or, you know, they park it outside. Priority roofing. See, they did my roof too. And they didn't put a sign in my yard. There's a squirrel. So I've seen a lot of birds. I've seen my pets, the cat and the dog. I haven't seen any deer yet. So what I do is I don't go up this road. I go to the right, come around the circle, and then I'll go back up here. And I don't see any deer. So they usually hang out right about here because no one, this guy usually doesn't cut this part. So they're either to the left corner or right corner. Dead end to the left. I see no deer. Wow. Some are older homes, so they have a brick and hardy plank siding. Some have stone and I guess it's hardy plank, those big white ones. They got red brick, different types of brick. And some don't have hardy plank, they got the old type. So you can see how old some of these homes have been here. And the newer ones. So some are stones, some are adobe, some are birds. I think that bird tried to, take off, couldn't. He was too fat. They need to get this ditch. I got my yard and most of the ditch. It looks real nice though. And it looks bright, doesn't it? So let's do something about that. Down a little bit, throw a -1 exposure, and I'm going to take out the screen away from the body. I've been recording for about 18 minutes. So to the right is a gate to my neighborhood. I can't get to it unless I walk. So I'm on my way home. First test is done with this camera, and I'm happy. So it really depends on your cable, USB-C to USB-C, and make sure it's like a Thunderbolt 3 capable or on up. It has to be what Red Dot Forum said was MiFi to USB-C. That's kind of like an Apple. Yeah, no deer. Wow. I'm looking all over. So usually they may be down this road. Walmart, groceries. Okay, so I went down the majority of them. I usually catch one or two. miles. Wow. One of these days they'll finish it. Yeah, I lived on a hill one time and I had a lot of foundation problems. You don't want to live on a slope. You want to live on a level place. I am right next to a ditch though, so I'm a little worried about that. So this camera stops recording at 29 minutes and I'm at 21. So this will work out good. So I was looking at the metal roofs, and a lot of them are stained. So I think I'm glad I got the roof that I got. It was cheaper anyway. It was a 30-year roof though. I still think I paid a little bit too much for it, but it's done. Very good. First test, A-okay. So the Leica Q3 and the SL2S do not overheat. SL2S doesn't have a 30-minute video record limit like the Q3 does. Q3 is smaller, so I don't know. But you know, I've been running like 2 or 3 hours, you know, just getting it off at half an hour, and it's been doing fine. So I think they're gonna do the stripes at the entrance. So the first stage is done. And I'm a happy camper. I've been looking for that little bird that I rescued. Let me pet it before it flew off. I thought it was a baby chick, but I guess it was learning to fly, and it just a little bit too early. So he was flying around okay. You know, he was hopping from one part of the fence to the other. Then I saw him go into a tree limb, so he could fly up. That's a good thing. So anyway, thank you for watching. Remember, stay safe, keep smiling. Until next time, I shall see you then. Goodbye, folks. Have a wonderful day.